So you want to know the price of a patio cover. Well, decks are a classic. Patio covers really let you enjoy your outdoor spaces without also experiencing the elements, which, let's be honest, here in the Pacific Northwest is kind of perfect. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the factors that affect pricing, the price of a wood patio cover, and the price of an acrylite patio cover, and finally the price of a pergola, as they're all offered here at Cascade. So like I mentioned, there's several factors that may change the price of your patio cover or pergola. The first one is going to be the style, second is the size, the material, the installation process, and then of course if you need a permit or not. So the first one that we'll go over is the style of your patio cover or pergola. There's two common styles of patio covers. The first one is a gable style and the second is a shed. Gable is shaped in an A and a shed style is kind of a flat roof. Custom shapes are available if you would like them. But they may cost more, especially if they require more design and labor. For example, some people might like a shape of an L for their patio cover, and that's totally fine, but again, you'll have to factor in that price. Next, the material that you choose is going to affect your price too. So wood, aluminum, and acrylic are the most common materials used in patio covers and pergolas. So wood offers a more classic look, but acrylite and aluminum are typically going to be lower in price. The installation method of your patio cover is also going to affect your price. So if it's attached to your house, your project is going to immediately require a permit. Those that aren't attached to the house may or may not require a permit, but the second it is required, the price of your whole project will go up a little bit at least. The foundation of your deck is also going to factor into the cost, so if your deck is not built to withstand the weight of an addition, we will have to add extra support. So we did mention permits. Your project is going to require a permit, again, as I said, if your patio cover or pergola is attached to the house. But if it's not attached to the house and your entire project is less than 200 square feet, you do not need a permit to build it. Permits are going to vary state to state. So here in Washington, they're typically $400 to $800, but in Oregon, they're typically $1,500 to around $3,000. But the price of your permit really will depend on how big your project is. Let's take a look at a few examples of some projects' pricing. Here at Cascade, we offered a gable patio cover, which we offer for around $80 to $102 per square foot. And for a 14 by 14 project, this would be around $16,000 to $20,000. For a shed patio cover, you'll typically pay around $81 to $114 per square foot. And for a 14 by 14 project, this would be around $16,000 to $17,000. The acrylite patio covers are kind of middle of the road for pricing. So the typical price of a patio cover that's an acrylite project is going to be $63 to $81 per square foot. And for a 14 by 14 project, this could typically be around $12,500 to $16,000. Pergolas are going to be on the lower end of the pricing scale. So they will typically cost around $40 to $55 per foot. And for a 14 by 14 project, this could be pricing between $5,000 to $6,000. If you have any more questions on the price of a patio cover or a pergola, don't hesitate to reach out.